Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
See China kill we.
China kill for true. Fake, original. If you have no number underneath a sign letter and a real one. See fake one there. And they look alike, you know. They do everything alike, you know. You think they're easy?
Me I tell you, Chinese.
What say?
So me say, oh me a
Compare it to
vomit
what you want to have the two different
from what day, yeah.
Fake.
Viewers and subscribers, there is rumors out there that says that there is fake Magnum Tonic wine that is on the market. However, the Wray and Nephew, you know, that's the company that is responsible for Magnum Tonic wine. Wray and Nephew says that these rumors are not true, and they also made a post on social media trying to let the public know that these rumors are not true. Now, viewers and subscribers, there is more things being said behind this thing right about now, and I am going to make sure I point it out to you because we are talking about health right here. We are not talking about anything else but the public's health. Could it be that Wray and Nephew is just actually trying to protect the sales of the Magnum Tonic wine that is out there? Because you know that whenever there is rumors of a product out there, you know, like ones like this right about now that says that there's fake Magnum Tonic wine that is out there, the sales of that product could drop and it could cause a stigma on the product, and that could be very bad for business, viewers and subscribers. So therefore, could it be that they are trying to actually protect that amount of sales that is out there right about now and not cause a stigma to go on their products that is out there? Or could it be that the Magnum Tonic Wine Company is actually telling the truth, that there is no fake Magnums out there on the market? And if so, in my view, that would mean that both of these bottles are actually from the company themselves. I get what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, you know that I'm only here to let you know what I want so that you can understand the situation and think for yourself. So rumors is out there that says that fake Magnum Tonic wine is on the market. However, Wray and Nephew says that these rumors are not true, and I'm presenting it to you, my viewers and subscribers. So as always, just let me know what you think about something like this. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?